Today we are continuing our lesson on the human body. We are going to be talking about the digestive system. Can you say digestive? Good job. That's how our body turns the food we eat into energy. Make sure you have a bowl or something to catch what we're about to do. It's going to get messy. We gave you everything you need except for the bowl and a cup of water. Now, we're going to walk through the digestive process with this activity. So, everything begins with chewing. Chewing and something that happens when we chew called saliva. Can you say saliva? That's our spit. That's right, both of those things are the very beginning of our digestive process. So, this bag is going to be our mouth, our esophagus, and our stomach. So, we're going to start by putting some food in our mouth. Put some crackers, maybe some applesauce. Okay, it's in our mouth. What do we need to do? We need to chew. Chew, that's right. And while you chew, the saliva mixes in. Good job, and that's helping break it down. It moves from our mouth into our esophagus. Can you say esophagus? Good job. And then it moves it down into our stomach. So now we're in our stomach. We're going to add some enzymes and some acid. That's what's in our stomach to help us digest. Keep mushing it up. That's what your stomach's doing. All right. Once it's processed and broken up our food enough, it wants to send it on. And it's going to send it on to the next part called the small intestine. Can you say intestine? Great job. The small intestine is where our body decides what it will keep for energy and what it will just send on out as waste. So, here we go, everybody. You're going to cut the end off. I put my cup with the stocking in the bowl. We're going to cut the end off. Don't be shy. And we're going to squeeze it in. So fun. There it goes into our small intestine. Okay, now our small intestine uses enzymes from our liver and our pancreas, which helps break down proteins, fats, sugars, and while that's happening, our intestine is taking out what it needs. Everything you see going into the bowl, that's what your body's going to use. Oh boy, so fun, right? Okay. Keep processing it. What's happening every time you eat? All right, so there you go. You have all the nutrients your body wants. Now what? Well, now your small intestine is going to pass it into your large intestine, the cup with the hole. So again, put it in your bowl. Get your scissors. Cut the end off. And start squeezing it out into your large intestine. There it goes. At this point, it's considered waste. Can you say waste? That's right. It's what our body is going to eventually push out. Okay, so we got some in there. Now, where does it go? Our body has to get rid of it. It has to go somewhere. So, it's going to push it out through our colon. Can you say colon? Good job. And out into the toilet. So start pushing it through. There it goes, out into the toilet. And that is the whole digestive system. Congratulations, you did it, guys.